Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter Reddit Monetizing Strategies. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to sell using Reddit. Let's get started. Reddit is best used for sharing relevant content, engaging with other Redditors, and participating in subreddit discussions. Most of the subreddit communities are not welcoming in terms of selling products or marketing promotions. But if you conduct a proper research on which subreddits are relevant to your niche, and that subreddit allows promotions, then the platform can help you sell your products or services. First, find similar subreddits with your niche. You need to share content with people in subreddits that cater to your niche-specific audiences. Each subreddit will show you on top of its page the number of members inside the community. That data will be helpful for your research when you take into account the number of Redditors inside the community. Read the subreddit's rules. You need to check the rules of the community if you're considering that subreddit to be one of your target subreddits. Look out for the rules that doesn't allow promotions or selling, and when you see it, you can exempt that subreddit from adding it to your list of subreddits that you want to target. Second, make a list of at least 10 to 20 subreddit communities. From the research you have done from the previous step, you can learn the different subreddit communities that you've discovered during your search. There are subreddits that may contain the keywords or the same name of the subreddit relevant to your niche. But there are times that these subreddits don't have enough members or the content are not close to your brand's niche. It's good if the members of the community are interested in buying your products and there are over 20,000 subscribers in that community. That way, you can share your content and these 20,000 members of the community will be aware of your content, which might include a bit of your promotion. Next, contribute to the community. When you have found the subreddits that you want to target, and those subreddits have members who are interested in the products or services that you are promoting, then it is time to share relevant content that the members of the community will find helpful. Make it a goal for each content that you'll share would be interesting, funny, or informative to the Redditors. There's a chance that your shared content can be upvoted by the fellow members of the community. Next, start promoting. Some communities follow the 9:1 rule, where only 1 out of 9 posted content that you share should be a promotion. This is to keep the community free from spam offers, especially from users who haven't built their reputation on Reddit with a huge number of karma. You can ask questions, asking for their advice of which options do they prefer. This can generate comments from interested Redditors. Redditors who can be interested in the products or services that you offer will be tempted to comment on your post if you ask questions. Lastly, engage. The Redditors in the community need to trust you. They need to see that you offer help and they can count on you for giving relevant information or advice. When you keep on posting relevant content and engaging with other users, they will notice that you engage regularly on that subreddit and they will remember your username, and that can gradually build their trust in your brand. Now that you know about how to sell using Reddit, we can now proceed to the next topic, doing Reddit gigs on Fiverr and Freelancer. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.